French. A lingering thought you can't reach.
Okay, well, is there a French word for feeling an overwhelming sense of urgency and impending doom?
Feminine u fifentom. It's French for banshee.
Okay, well, what does your banshee intuition say this is?
That you don't have to figure it all out right this second.
But this kid's got no one. You know, and there's a reason why. There's gotta be.
Give this man a ride. Sweet family will die. Killer on the road.
Riders on the Storm?
What?
That's the song, Riders on the Storm.
That's it.
What's it?
The Ghost Riders. The Wild Hunt. They come by storm, riding horses, and they take people.
Lydia, you're so smart. I could kiss you right now.
Do not kiss me.
Not gonna. Mwah! Did it anyway.
Hey, guys, wait up. I fixed it.
Perfect. Looks brand new.
He's going to notice.
Nah, he'll never notice. We'll just put the compass back and figure out a way to help Scott.
Or